Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to calculate pips on TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, open TradingView and load the chart of the currency pair or market you want to analyze. Make sure your chart is ready before using the measurement tool. Next, look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Measure tool, which is represented by a ruler icon. Once the tool is selected, click on the price where you want to begin measuring. Hold the left mouse button and drag your cursor to the second price level. You can drag upward to measure a potential profit or downward to measure a potential loss. After releasing the mouse button, TradingView will instantly display the measurement details. You'll see the number of pips moved, the price difference, and the percentage change. This makes it easy to determine how far the market has moved between 2 points. The Measure tool is especially useful for planning trades, setting stop loss, and checking the distance between support and resistance zones. So that's basically how you can calculate pips on TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.